Welcome to Bricks and Blooms. My name is Ebony. You are entering my small townhome. There is no entryway. As soon as you walk in, you are in the living room. So I have established this little nook right off of the stairwell, and it is just a collection of coffee table books, cookbooks. I have some commission work by Damon Glasgow, a fellow classmate at Delaware State University. Shout out to Del State. And we're going to pan over to how the living room looks from the bottom actually of the stairwell. I absolutely love this view. It's so earthy. Some people may call it boho chic. I just call it my ebony and ivory room. It is safari based, and I will show you where I built this room basically from. Here we are at the bottom of the stairs, and I just wanted to showcase a few art pieces, some that I inherited from my grandmother. I absolutely love this milk glass hobnail lamp that I purchased from Facebook Marketplace. I can't remember how much it was, but I absolutely love it. It's like a candlestick. The actual light bulb is shaped like a candle. I have some artwork that I purchased from Home Goods, and here we have See No Evil, Hear No Evil, Speak No Evil. The lamp was purchased from Home Goods. It reminds me of a tortoiseshell. I love my bookcase. It stores so many books for my family, my husband, my kids. If I haven't mentioned that, I'm married with 2 children. Here's a little section of some pieces that embrace my culture. I also have a piece of a church that I think is really beautiful. It's a cathedral. I am not Catholic, but I am Christian, and I absolutely love the architecture of this artwork that I purchased from Facebook Marketplace. This is an oil painting. I've had this for about 20 years. It's beautiful, and it just reminds me of my spiritual gift as a dancer in the church. This corner is so dark you can't see, but there is a faux palm tree in there. And then I just have some of my brim hats displayed on the wall. I am just known for wearing hats. Here I have a black wall it's an accent wall that borders both sides of my double-sided fireplace. And this reminds me of just stretching and fitness and dance all at the same time. And I love just the black and white juxtaposition of it. Now we're entering from off of the dining room, my living room. We have a black wall that basically hides the TV cords. I have a platinum coated rose that my husband gave me, and I did feature a Black Panther as a mode to Chadwick Boseman. Black Panther. I have a bunch of plants. We have a snake plant, a jade plant, and a bunch of plants in the bay window as well. These are faux plants. The large bird of paradise plants that I have that anchor my sectional. This urn, it looks like an urn, but it's so beautiful. It just houses all my obituary programs from family and friends. I love this zebra art piece that I got from Ross for like $30 10 years ago, maybe even 15 years ago. I've had it forever. I absolutely love it. I am using throw pillows from various places just to set off that gray sectional. There are 2 ottomans pushed up against the sectional's chase lounge to make it very cozy and more like a bed. This is another angle of if I was sitting against the wall, how the living room would look. And this is my bay window that stores plenty of plants. I have foxtail ferns, papyrus, aloe, and I think I have another tropical plant in there. I can't think of the name of it right now, but I absolutely love my plants and the stands that they're in. They're stone urns. I can take them indoors, outdoors, but I prefer to keep them indoors because it keeps down on pests. This is another view of my small living room. It's cozy, it's just the right size, it's perfect for watching movies, and I absolutely love it. I probably did not show the animals on the built-in bookcase next to the TV, but that's the inspiration of my safari room. Thank you guys for watching.